Ever since we moved in, there's been a vine that produces some yellow fruit that I've always been too scared to eat. But I've eaten worse things than that now, so I decided to finally find out just what it was. After a bit of googling, I found it. Banana passion fruit. I also found a handy video to go with it. Hey Tezos, Jimmy here. So you've got a banana passion fruit vine growing in your backyard. Oops. Did you know that there are pests in New Zealand? While the fruit might taste great, that's nothing compared to your stint in prison if you've got one. Oh, did I not mention? They're unwanted organisms under the Biosecurity Act of 1993. So growing one in your backyard is actually illegal. In fact, by clicking this video, a SWAT team is automatically being sent to your house to arrest you. Sorry about that. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and please smash that like button and ring that notification bell to catch up. Okay. That wasn't actually real. But what is real is that banana passion fruit is actually a pest in New Zealand, and it is illegal to sell, propagate, or distribute it. Yes, they are illegal. And yes, I do have one in my backyard.
Hold it, pal. Got a mask.
Oh, yeah, sorry.
So what you want?
I heard you said an illegal substance.
Depends what you got.
Oh, yeah, Is that enough?
That's enough.